Good good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. Students, we finished the second chapter of Footprints Without Feet, the thief's story, which is written by Ruskin Bond. We discussed the read and find out question and the textbook questions. I told you to write the word meaning in the fair notebook, and I have I told you to write the read and find out questions answers and the textbook questions answers in the fair notebook. I hope you have done that. Students, before moving on to the next chapter, which is the third chapter, I would like to discuss with you the theme of the thief's story. The thief's story theme was left to discuss because in the exams we can be asked that what is the theme of the chapter, the thief's story, which is written by Ruskin Bond. So, students, the theme of the chapter, the thief's story, according to me, is interwoven by these 5 points. Interwoven means आपस में गुथी हुई है इन और बेस्ड है इन 5 पॉइंट्स के ऊपर. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज जुवेनाइल delinquency. Juvenile delinquency. Juvenile means the person who is under 16 years of age. You all are juvenile, and if a juvenile person who is under 15 or under 16 years of age commits some crime, he does not go to the normal jail or normal court. There is separate court for the minors or those who have not become adults, those who are less than 16 years of age. So the first point, juvenile delinquencies, how to deal with them who are 16 years less than 16 years of age. Benevolence means kindness. Astray, away from the correct path. At this age, tender age, 16 years, like you are also stepping into that age, it is very easy to be astray. भटक जाना बहुत आसान है. इसके ऊपर भी स्टोरी थीम डिपेंड करती है. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन, हाउ एजुकेशन कैन चेंज अ पर्सन's लाइफ, how important is education in a person's life, and our own attitude. It also plays an important role. So the theme of this chapter revolves around these 5 points. We come to know that a juvenile person who is an expert thief, young boy Hari, obviously it was a false name, but we know the thief by this name. He was a juvenile, and he was he was away from the correct path because of the circumstances. Which circumstances, it is not given in the chapter. A person who is on juvenile, so the theme revolves around the juvenile delinquencies that if we treat, and it also shows the importance of benevolence in one's life, that kindness, forgiveness, love, affection towards a person who is a criminal himself. The young boy, the Anil, shows affection, benevolence, forgiveness, kindness, and love towards young boy who was a thief, and that changes him despite knowing the fact that he has been robbed, but he knew that he has been robbed, but he was a kind person. Because of his kindness, because of his benevolence, he does not say anything to the thief when he comes to know that, because the notes were wet, and he knew that he must have taken the notes and went away from there. He would have gone away from the house, but he has returned. So because Anil was a very kind person, he showed his kindness, and he gave him another chance, because he knew that if I would hand him over to the police, he would definitely become a perfect criminal, a hardened criminal. बिल्कुल ही अपराधी ही बन जाएगा, and then he had no chance to lead a normal life. Astray tendencies. At this time, children are tend to astray from their path. भटक जाना, they become astray. They need proper guidance. they need proper education, they need proper environment, and importance of education. If Hari Singh, if he had got proper education, he wouldn't have become the criminal at this tender age. He wouldn't have become an expert thief at this age. He was not getting education. He doesn't know how to write his name. Doesn't even know how to write his name. And then our own attitude decides that what kind of life we are going to lead, as we have seen in this chapter that इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड आवर ओन एटीट्यूड, दीज टू, ये दोनों बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं स्टूडेंट हमारी लाइफ में। हम शिक्षा का महत्व और हमारा जिंदगी जीने का नजरिया, हाउ वी सी द लाइफ, दैट्स आवर एटीट्यूड। सी इन दिस स्टोरी देयर आर टू कैरेक्टर, वन इज अ thief who have not got education, the reasons are not mentioned, and the person Anil who got education and he writes for magazines. Now comes to our own attitude. Our own attitude decides what kind of life we are going to lead. Everybody goes through difficult phases, difficult circumstances in their lives. Difficult situations come, problems come in everybody's life, but our own attitude decides how do we face them, how do we overcome them. Some people panic, they give up, and they choose an easy way. As the thief himself mentioned, it is very easy to steal, and it is sometimes very easy to be caught. पकड़े जाना, चोरी करना, पकड़े जाना बहुत आसान है, वो खुद भी कहता है, लेकिन एक अच्छी लाइफ जीना, पढ़ना लिखना, मेहनत करना, पैसा कमाना, it is not an easy task to become an educated man, to become a respectful person of the society, respected man of the society. It's something different. It takes a lot of hard work, lot of determination, and your attitude does help you to become a good person. Like we have seen, Anil, who was a struggling writer, he was struggling, he was not earning money regularly, but still he has good attitude towards life. He does not give up, and he does not choose the wrong path. His attitude made him an educated person, and he was a writer who was struggling, still he is enjoying his life. On the other hand, young boy Hari was only 15 years old. He was not an educated man, he was an expert thief. His attitude made him, yes, he must have had some difficulties in his life, problems in his life. Because of that, his education, he was not getting education, but if he had a good positive attitude, he wouldn't have chosen this path of stealing and robbing people. So our own attitude also decides. So these 5 points, and then benevolence, kindness, if we treat a person who is under 16, who is a juvenile, Anil shows faith on him, trust on him. Anil's kindness, faith, trust on him, makes him to come back to Anil and return his money. That was the beginning of his reformation. So kindness, forgiveness, love, caring nature towards this, kindness, forgiveness, love, affection, if you show to a juvenile who is, not on the right path, can bring him on a right path, rather than, giving him to the police. Harsh police will not, treat him in a very polite way. They will obviously treat, in a very bad way, harsh way, cruel way, and they will go into the jail, juvenile court, juvenile prison, where they will find another criminals, and they will definitely become the hardened criminals then. So